Hey everyone, this is Lindy from Love Create Celebrate, and I'm excited to be back again sharing some tips and secrets for how to lay Isochlor click vinyl plank flooring. All of the flooring for this project was provided by the Home Depot Canada, and I'm really excited to show you how easy it was to install. This is the bedroom and closet that we'll be flooring today. As you can see, we've already scraped off the carpet and cleaned the floors to get ready. Start by laying your first plank in the left-hand corner of the room, making sure that the bottom groove is facing outward, and then slowly work your way up. You need to leave a consistent 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch gap along all the walls when you're laying the flooring, and we just use some scrap wood to act as a shim. When you're starting new rows, make sure to stagger the joints by using planks of different lengths at the beginning of each row. And now the fun part! Guys, laying these planks could not have been easier. I'm showing my husband doing all the hard work, but I promise I did half this floor too, and it is not difficult. All you do is put the tongue of the new plank into the groove of the planks that are already on the floor and click it into place. Then we used a soft rubber mallet just to tap down on all of the edges and make sure it was a good tight fit. And then once our flooring was aligned, we grabbed a scrap piece of flooring and put it into the tongue and just used our rubber mallet across the edge of the plank to make sure it was all nice and tight. When you come to a piece you have to cut, you just start by measuring out how much of the plank you actually need. Mark that distance on a new plank, and then use a speed square or a ruler to draw a line and then score your new plank at exactly the right length. Once your plank is scored, just bend it over your knee and it'll break in exactly the right spot. Then we just use an X-Acto knife to cut the back edge and we put the piece in place. When it came to trickier spots like vents or corners or anywhere where you weren't cutting the whole plank, we just marked the cuts we needed onto our new plank and then used a jigsaw or a circular saw to cut the plank. Another tricky spot can be when you come to a door opening, such as where our closet meets our bedroom. Here, because there's no molding, you need to be able to put your flooring under the casing. To do this, we used a scrap piece of flooring as a guide for our height, and then we used an oscillating tool to help us cut the bottom of the casing. It just took us one afternoon to lay down the entire floor for the entire room, and I was so happy with how it turned out. What do you think? Are you ready to tackle some vinyl plank flooring? If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, for more great DIYs and tutorials, visit lovecreatecelebrate.com.